Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me really tight.
Wow.
Kiss me.
Magkumanda.
Pinanood niyo ba yung nanay yung video niya na sumali siya pageant? Kaya ipatuloy namin sabi niya, ito